Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'll be making some beef vegetable soup. So as you can see, I'm just seasoning the meat. So I'm using adobo, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, black pepper, and some sazon. Okay, so now I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm gonna cut some potatoes into small pieces. So for this recipe, I used about 4 potatoes. Okay, so now the ground beef is done, so I went ahead and drained it. Then I put it back in the pot. So now I'm just gonna cut up some onions and tomatoes, and then I'm gonna be adding them in. Okay, so after I finished stirring that up, I went ahead and cut up some cabbage. So just so y'all know, this is my first time making this recipe, so I'm hoping it come out really good. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried this recipe. So once I finished cutting up the cabbage, I went ahead and put it in a bowl and put that to the side. So now I'm just gonna add some tomato sauce. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit the like button. So now it's time to add some water. So I added about 4 cups of water. Then I added the potatoes in. I let the potatoes cook until they was halfway done. Then I added some more seasoning, some adobo, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some chicken seasoning. So now I'm adding some beef bouillon to give it that beef flavor. Okay, so I decided to add some green beans and some corn. Y'all, it's smelling so good right now. So after I mixed it up, I went ahead and added some carrots. Then I mixed it up again. Now we're just gonna let that cook for a while. And then I went ahead and added the cabbage in. So now I'm just gonna cook the cabbage until it gets soft. Okay, so I put the top on it, I let it cook. Then this is how it came out. Don't it look good, y'all?